I'm not wrong, since I have not encountered the process as of now, I'm not sure about it completely. But as far as I know, it's not like in America you have the H-1B system where the company applies for your visa. Over here, the company just have to give you a letter or something of that sort to prove that you are still an employee of that company, and you have to do your visa proceedings yourself. So it's up to you to get the work visa re-sanctioned again and again. The company doesn't, like, the company applies for you in per se, but it's not that it's a lottery system and only some people get or something like that. Like unless like in America. Regarding the salaries, as I told, the minimum wage is around 2,000 euros per month for a master student graduate. So it depends upon your quality of your profile as well as the company. You can get above it, but you won't get below 2,000.